guys, and welcome to this month's shop review. Today we are reviewing a shop called Orghandy. If you want to be in with the chance of having your shop reviewed, then please join my Facebook group. The link is in the description. Inside that group, I share a post on a monthly basis asking for a link to your shops. A few days after the post, I will have a look through the links that have been provided and choose a shop to review. My decision is based on a couple of things. First, I choose the shop that I think I can help the most. And I also look for a shop that has a lot of common problems with their photography. So things that I see everywhere when I'm helping other people with their product photography. Then I will record a video just like this one, where I announce the winner of the shop review and actually do a review of their shop. So I will look into things such as the photos, the general layout of the shop, and anything else that I see that maybe they could work on that shop. This is also a great opportunity for your shop to get a little bit more awareness, brand awareness, get out there in front of your customers as well. So it's not just helping you to improve your shop, but it is also getting your shop out there. This monthly contest is exclusive to my Facebook group. So if you do want to have your shop reviewed, make sure you go and join that group now. Again, the link is in the description. Okay, so Orghandy is a vegan and organic soap company, which is clearly displayed at the top of their homepage here. And see in nice big words we have enjoy our vegan organic homemade soaps. So as soon as you go onto this website, you instantly know what you are buying and what their values are as a business as well. I think the general layout of this is really good, very simple, just 3 things at the top here in your menu, which makes it really easy to navigate your shop. And of course all your socials up here as well, which works really well, so anyone can easily find you and talk to you about your products if they need to. Now let's have a look at this picture here. This is the first picture that anyone is going to see of your product. So this is a really important photo for people that are coming to your website. This has to be your best photo to really show off your products and make them want to actually hit that shop now icon button down here and actually go and buy your products. So in regards to this photo, it's just not standing out to me. It's not really grabbing my attention and making me want to hit that shop now button. So the reason for this, I think, is just the angle that you've taken the photo from. So it's what we call a flat lay or bird's eye view, which is great for some products, but with soaps I don't necessarily think it works as well. Because with these kind of products, you really actually want to be showing off the depth and the size and the scale, the shape of the product. With a flat lay image, the reason it's called a flat lay is because it makes everything look flat. You don't get that sense of depth or size in the image that you would if you were shooting from, say, a side on or maybe a 45-degree above angle. So maybe consider changing this photo to something at a slightly different angle. I do think that the composition that you have here with the different soaps is a good layout. I'm not quite sure about this grate in the bottom. Is that a soap stand or is that something else that you've just chosen to put in there to put your soaps on? So just be thinking a little bit about what you're actually including in the picture here. And yeah, again, if you shot this from a slightly different angle just to show off the different size of the products and how big they actually are, I think that would work a lot better. In terms of the lighting, it's reasonably good. If you look at the background, you can see that it's slightly lighter on the left side over here than on the right, but it's such a small difference that it's not really noticeable and it's not really causing a problem. So that works quite well. Again, just getting down on a slightly different angle, you'd bring in some shadows as well, which would really just help to emphasize the product. So if we scroll down, we've got some more information here about the product and how it's chemically free, cruelty free and plastic free, which is great, really emphasizing that message of being vegan and organic again, and making sure that you are environmentally friendly. Then we have an Instagram feed, which is great to show people what you are doing, what is happening on your social media channels. But I would like to actually see more product shots in this. There's a couple here, but most of these are graphics. So maybe consider sharing more photos of your products on social media, just so people can actually see more of your products. The more they see your products, the more they're actually likely to buy something. Okay, and then we've got the contact form and some more links down the bottom here. Perfect. So I'm going to go back up to this shop now icon, and let's actually have a look at the shop. So again, we've got a nice message here at the top talking about what your business is all about. So that's perfect. And let's actually have a look at some of these product photos here. So here with these soaps, this is getting a little bit better in terms of showing off your product, but it's still, again, that flat lay orientation. So you might just want to, again, consider changing your angle even slightly, so you get a little bit more of this soap that's standing up here in the picture, actually showing off the side of it a little bit better. Then we've got this Mother's Day gift box here. I'll be honest, this picture looks a bit cluttered. So I know it's a gift box, there's a lot that goes into a gift box, I get that. And with gift boxes, it is really all about how you present things. You've really got to take the time to really make sure everything is looking perfect and focus on what you actually want the people to look at. Because looking at this, I'm not actually seeing a huge amount of soap. When I look at this, the first thing I'm really seeing is the flowers in the picture and the bows, which are great. They really do show off the theme of the gift box, which is a Mother's Day gift box. But you really want to be showing off the products as the star. So think about how you're laying out your gift boxes so that they are really showing what the product really is. You may also consider adding in photos of individual items that are in the gift box so that people can clearly see each product that comes with the gift box as well. Because if I just click on this, we just go into this, we've only got 3 photos here and they are all just of the gift box, and that's the outside of the gift box, which is the label, which is perfect. But again, if you add in a few more photos just showing off exactly what the product is, that will really help your customers to know what they're actually getting. The other thing with this picture here is just the way that you've composed the image. First of all, the image is the wrong way around for us to actually read the writing here. I'm having to actually turn my head to read the writing on that little gift tag there. So try rotating the image so that you can easily read the text in the image. And then also think about your background here. This looks like it's just been taken on your floor. We've got the tiles in this top corner here, and we can even see what looks like the edge of the wall or something in the real top right corner. And then again in this bottom right corner, looks like maybe that's the edge of the tiles bleeding onto some stones or something. So again, just be careful with how you're composing the shot. Keep an eye out for what's around the edge of the image. And then the candle that's sitting there, it just kind of looks like it's been randomly placed there. It doesn't necessarily look like it actually fits with the product. So again, just think, do you actually need that candle in the shot? If you don't, then don't have it there. It's just a distraction from what the product actually is. Okay, so I think we'll leave it there for today's review. I hope that you have found this useful. If you want to learn more about product photography and how to implement some of the tips that I have given in this video, then please check out my signature program, Take Standout Product Photos. I'll drop the link for more information on that in the description for you. If you would like to get your shop reviewed, then don't forget to go and join my Facebook group and look out for that shop review post. If you would like to buy some soaps or other products from Orghandy, again, the link is in the description for that, so please head on over to their shop. And of course, if you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks on improving your product photography. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.